The first thing that I want to show you for this outfit is the beautiful makeup. Hello, today is Friday and we are going to a Sweet 16, my friend Camilla's niece's Sweet 16. So I'm doing a get ready with me right now, and I want to do a look that is inspired by Euphoria. I don't know if anybody, I'm sure you all watch it actually. It is a dope show, really intense. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some CeraVe on. CeraVe. I am so excited to do this look, but a little nervous at the same time because it's the kind of look that that requires me to have a bit more patience. And you know, patience is something that I'm gaining, but for the most part it's a weakness. So I'm gonna put some CeraVe on and let it lock in. So the look that we're doing is from Euphoria, and it's not identical to what Maddie is wearing in Euphoria, but it's inspired by. I love that show. I love the makeup on the show. It's so cool. I feel like the makeup is kindergarten editorial. Like, it's like kindergarten fun, sparkles and stars and shapes and all that, but it's clean and it's kind of serious and kind of sad at the same time. Like, sometimes Rue will have like glitter tears going down her face. It's intense. The show is dope. The makeup is dope. So let's get started. So as usual, my eyebrows are always a little wet. I'm going to let them dry out first before I do anything. I'm going to start on my eyes. So I'm going to be putting on my eyes this by MAC. It's really old. I'm not sure if they still have it. It's called Sugarshot. I hardly wear it. It looks like new, but it's something that I've had for a minute. It is just a clean wash, like a clean pale sparkle, if I had to describe it. And I'm putting it on with my finger. That's gonna brighten me up and give me a little something clean. You all know I do a natural brow, so I just follow what I have, fill in sparse areas, and that is it. Because this is makeup, I tried filming it just now on my Canon, 80D, but it wouldn't connect to my TV, which is my monitor, which I need as a monitor, because sometimes the focus comes in and out and I can waste an entire video out of focus. So it's a little traumatizing and stressful, and it wouldn't connect to my TV, like the signal. It wouldn't read the signal for the HDMI. So I just grabbed the phone. Anyhow, the eyebrows are done. We're going to move on to the liner. I'm using Scandal Eyes 24-hour eyeliner in the color Nude because I'm using this on my waterline. It helps to open up my eyes a bit. Some people put white on their waterline. I like to use a flesh tone color. So I just grab my cheek. I don't tug too hard, and I apply. See the difference? And my eyes always get teary when I do makeup. It's just, can't help it. There's those drops that make your eyes super white, and I wonder if the professionals on YouTube use it, because they seem to never, even though I don't really look at, I don't look at makeup videos like that, but I do look at a few, and their eyes never get teary and never get red. Can you see how it opened up my eyes? I can. So if I can, I know you can, because I can hardly see that well. Okay, so we're gonna move on to liner. I'm gonna use French Fries by NYX. It's a brown color. It's beautiful. I'm gonna use that on the bottom lash line. And just to give me a little smudge and depth. Just a little bit. Because I don't lock my makeup in like with a spray or anything like that. So I don't want it to run too much later, because my makeup will move. It moves, and I like when it moves a little bit. It looks more, not so perfect. Anyhow, so let's see. What next? Eyeliner on top. So I am using this one here by Kiss. I think it's, from the Korean beauty supply, so it's probably super cheap. I'm going to use this on the upper corners. Just a little bit. Give me a little bit of definition. On the upper outer corners, I should say. I'm going to be brave enough to start with the diamonds. So we're using rhinestone stickers. You can purchase these at whatever craft store you like. You can go to Michael's. You'll definitely find them there, or your local supply, your local beauty supply. So these are sticky already, but I think I want to use my my spirit gum. So this is really legit. Whatever arts and craft piece you want to use on your face, if you apply it over this adhesive, it will stay. Here and here. And there it is. Okay, so we have the two applications on the bottom. I'm sorry, I had to cut that out. It was a mess. There was no way that you can see me putting it on. It's difficult to put it on. I've seen a lot of girls use tweezers to do it. The tweezers were really hard for me. I couldn't grab them with the tweezers. It was easier with my finger, but it was still hard with my finger. And so I cut all that stuff out. Anyhow, there they are, my two little tears. And I'm going to put one up here and down here. So the arch. Stay, please, I beg you, stay. So I have that one on the arch on the left side, but it seems like the hairs are glued down, so I'm going to try and make them look natural again by brushing through the glue. And that works, that helps. So I'm going to put this one here, the next one. So this is why I don't want you to use spirit gum, because when I apply it, I feel the I can feel the a sting, and I just don't want that for you. So that's why I backed out of telling you to use spirit gum. But it is effective, I'll tell you that much. So I'm going to attempt to fix my eyebrow makeup quickly. Like just bring this up here a bit. Bring a little messiness down here. You know, I like my eyebrows to look natural, so I don't mind a little messy. But that's it for the application. Finally, Lord, that was scary. The other girls, they kind of put it up here too, but I'll leave it at the ends to be kind of complimentary, not overpowering. So we're going to move on to lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going to be using today is just a lip liner. It's by the Sephora brand, and the color is Pleasant Plum. I'm going to use a little concealer to fix up whatever mess I may have made around my lips, even though there isn't much of a mess, unless I can't see it, which is possible. Yep, and a little bit here in the inner, you know, that area. That's a little spot there. I'm not really, that's it for the face makeup. That spot is still going strong, but whatever. I'm going to add mascara, though I really don't want to. Oh, I don't know what to do. Mascara is the worst thing I can put in my eyes. It makes me rub my eyes all night long. I don't know what to do. I don't want to add it. You know what? I'm not going to add it. I hope you're okay with that. That's the look. So I'm going to undo my hair really quickly and then show you the outfit that I'm wearing. The outfit that I'm wearing is a gorgeous outfit that, of course, is secondhand. The boots I'm wearing are not secondhand. You know how I feel about footwear. I have to be really smart about what I walk around with, because my feet are precious. So that's the look for the face, the makeup. I am not going to put mascara on. I can't. I don't want to rub my eyes the whole night. So the eyes are sort of kind of plain in a way because I don't have mascara on, but that's okay. My hair is kind of clean, you know, doing its thing. And that's the makeup look. I hope that you like it. That is the look, really pretty. I love the rhinestones, they look perfect. The face is kind of simple and clean because I'm not ODing with anything else, anything graphic, anything editorial, just really clean. I love it. I love that I decided to stay with just 3 stones on each side. The lipstick I think helps the look because my skin is so clean that the lipstick adds fun to the look. Anyhow, I'm gonna go get ready. You're gonna love my outfit, completely thrifted. The first thing that I want to show you for this outfit is the beautiful makeup that I did. This is Euphoria inspired. I'm sure you watch Euphoria. If you don't, it's an excellent show. You have to watch it. Anyhow, so the 3 stones on each side. It's clean face, burgundy lips, and the outfit is gorgeous. This is the silk Victoria's Secret top that I thrifted a little while ago. This skirt is new to my thrift collection. I just found it. It has a little slit in the bottom. And my boots, my opening ceremony platform boots. And this thrifted jeweled purse. It's really pretty. Jeweled purse. That's the outfit. Let me sit down so that you can see it all together. It's beautiful. The makeup is very complimentary. I don't have nail polish on, which is the one thing that I regret. I would have matched it with my lips. Anyhow, that's the look.